Okay, so one thing that you can also do with the mangoes is make a smoothie. So this is really, really easy to throw together in the mornings or for like a snack during the day. And so, for example, we have some greens here. We have kale, you could use spinach, really any other greens that you have on hand. We have our cut up mango, obviously. You can add in a milk or plant-based milk or really any other liquid that you have on hand. So here I have a lactose-free milk. And then you can also add in protein powder to add some protein into your smoothie. So we have some Juice Plus protein powder here.
That protein is one of my favorites, just because if you followed me for any length of time, my favorite F word is fiber. And that plant protein powder has 8 grams of fiber in it. So on top of the fiber that we're adding in our mangoes and kale that I grew in my tower garden. But yeah, so I picked some before I came over. I'm excited.
Yes, awesome. Yeah, and I'll add a picture somewhere here of her tower garden. It's beautiful, so we'll show you guys that. Yeah, we're gonna throw together a smoothie, but you can really improvise this and make it with whatever ingredients you have on hand and whatever ingredients you enjoy.
And the more fruit, the sweeter it's gonna be. But I would recommend my nutritional side to add greens into it. But if you're gonna add fruit, it's typically gonna taste like the fruit, but you're gonna get the nutrition from the greens. So I always put greens somewhere in a smoothie, because you're gonna get the health benefit from that.
Definitely, and then things like your milks, you can add a little bit of fat in through by using like a regular milk, and then your protein powder, you're gonna get some additional protein, and you can get protein from your milk as well. So you can come out with a balanced meal, which is really awesome.
Do you ever add like coconut oil or anything to your smoothies?
I don't typically, but I'll do like another fat, like peanut butter.
Ah,
Yeah.
Okay.
So something else that might be good too.
There you go.
Yeah.
I don't know, peanut butter and mangoes, I don't know if they would work very well
I don't
together.
know if that would be good or not.
That's good with bananas.
I'm not sure. I have mixed feelings about that. So.
I don't know, peanut butter and mango. Let us know if you try it. Put it in the comments.
Yeah.
See what you think. Let us know.
I've tried that. Let us know for sure.
Or if there's some other good protein or fat to add to it, I would think.
Definitely.
Would be good.